Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Tau Gamma Phi logo. First, let's lay the groundwork for your design. Start by drawing a perfect circle, which will serve as the main boundary for your emblem. Then, create a second, slightly smaller circle inside the first one. This inner circle will establish the distinct border of your seal, giving it a professional and defined look. Make sure both circles are perfectly centered for a balanced appearance. Next, we'll introduce the heart of the logo, the Triskelion symbol. Carefully position this three-legged spiral directly in the middle of your inner circle. It should be prominent, filling about 2/3 of the available space within that inner boundary. Pay close attention to its symmetry, ensuring each of the three legs extends evenly from the central point, creating a dynamic and balanced visual. Now, let's add the significant Greek letters. Carefully place Tau, Gamma, and Phi, ensuring they are evenly distributed along the upper curve of your inner circle. Below the Triskelion, along the lower arc, you will then add the full fraternity name, Tau Gamma Phi. Choose a bold, clear font for both the Greek letters and the name to ensure excellent readability and a strong presence within the design. Finally, we bring your logo to life with color and finishing touches. Select a dominant color, like a rich gold or a deep black, for the Triskelion symbol itself. Then, choose contrasting colors for the background and the text to make each element stand out clearly. A crisp, thin outline around all shapes and letters will provide a sharp, professional finish, ensuring your Tau Gamma Phi logo is both striking and memorable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.